Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to answer few questions from the given calendar for the year 2020. Let us see all the questions one by one. So, first question is fill in the blanks with the correct year. So, the years given are 2017, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2021 and 2023. So, now the first question is which year was it 2 years back? So you have to fill it which year was it 2 years back. So now we are in the year 2020. So we have to go 2 years back. So we have to jump 2 steps back. So now we are in 2020. So I have jumped 1 step back. So now we are in 2019. So we have to do 2 steps backward, right? So I am going to jump 1 more step back. So it will be in 2018. So which year was it 2 years back is 2018. Now we are in 2020. So 2 years back you will be in the year 2018. The next question given is in which year were you in class 2? So solution, now we were in 2020 and you are in class 3. Okay, so the asked question is in which year were you in class 2? So you are in class 2 last year, that is the previous year. So you have to jump 1 step backward. You are moving backwards. So now we are in the year 2020. So you are going 1 step back. So you will be in the year 2019. So the answer for the given question is in which year were you in class 2 is 2019. The next question is which year will be the next year? So solution, now we are in the year 2020. Which year will be the next year? Next year means you have to jump forward. Next is coming year. So we have to jump 1 step forward. So the year after 2020 is 2021. So you have jumped 1 step. So it will be 2021. So you can fill the dash as 2021. So next question is which year will come after 3 years? So now we are in the year 2020. Which year will come after 3 years? So you have to move forward because it after means it will be coming forward. So you have to jump 3 steps forward because they have asked 3 years. So you have to jump 3 steps forward. So now we are in 2020. So if you jump 1 step forward, you will be in 2021. If you jump another step, second step, then you will be in the year 2022. If you jump the third step, you will be in the year 2023. So after 3 years, you will be in the year 2023. The next question is which festival comes first? Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2020 to find the days on which these fall. So here are given some festival names and also they have given the date on which this festival falls. So from the calendar you want to write the day on which this festival is observed. Okay, so now we'll have the calendar for the year 2020 here. Okay, so now we'll look into the calendar for the festivals one by one. So the first festival given is Diwali. It falls on the date November 7. So now you are going to the calendar and you are going to the month of November. Then you are looking for the date 7. So here it is and it falls on the day Saturday. So I have written Saturday here. Okay, the next festival given is Pongal. It falls on the date January 14. So now you have to move to the calendar for the month of January and you have to check the date 14. So 14 is here. So it falls on Tuesday. So I have written it falls on Tuesday. Okay, the third festival given is Raksha Bandhan and it is celebrated on August 26. So now we are moving to the calendar for the month of August. It is here. Now we have to search for the date 26. So it is here. So it falls on Wednesday. So I have written Wednesday. Okay, the next festival given is Gandhi Jayanti. You know that it is on October 2nd every year. Okay, so now we'll move to the month of October and then the date is 2. So it falls on Friday. So I have written here. Next is Miladul Nabi. So it falls on November 21. So again I am going to the November month. I am searching for the date 21. So here it is. It's on Saturday. Next is Onam. It falls on August 25th. So I am checking for August 25. Here it is on Tuesday. So I have written Tuesday. So the next festival is Guru Nanak's birthday. It's on November 23. So again we are in the month of November and 23 falls on Monday. Next is Guru Ravidas birthday. It's on January 31st. So we are moving to the month of January. That's the first month of the year. And now we are searching for the 31st, which is the last day of the first month. So it falls on Friday. So I have written Friday. Next given is Christmas Day. You know that it's always celebrated on December 25th. So move to the December calendar. Check for the date 25. So here also it also falls on Friday. So the last festival given is Bihu. It's celebrated on April 15th. So now we are moving to the calendar and I have in the month of April. Now I am searching for 15. It is Wednesday. So I have written Wednesday. So by looking into the calendar, you can write the corresponding days based on the given dates. The next question asked is, arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. So solution, to arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year, we have to arrange the festivals from the month of January to December, because the starting month of the year is January and the ending month of the year is December. So we have to start from January and we have to end in December. So if you look here, okay, in this table, January 14th is the first day we are starting. Right here it is Pongal. Okay, then the second is January 31st, it is Guru Ravidas birthday. Then third is April 15, it's Bihu. Then fourth is August 25, it is Onam. Fifth is August 26, it's Raksha Bandhan. Then sixth is in the month of October 2, we know that it's all Gandhi Jayanti. Then November 7, it's Diwali. Then November 21, Miladul Nabi. And then November 23, Guru Nanak's birthday. And then December 25, it's Christmas Day. So these are all the festivals. It comes in the order in the starting month January to the ending month December. The next question is, which festival comes in the beginning of the year? So solution. So the year begins in the month of January. So the first festival falls in the month of January. From the list it is Pongal. January 14th it is Pongal. Okay, so thus Pongal festival comes in the beginning of the year. Next question is, which festival comes at the end of the year? So the year ends in the month of December. The last festival falls in the month of December. So from the list we can say that it is Christmas Day, which falls on December 25. So the answer for question is Christmas Day comes at the end of the year. Hope you have understood how to find the days for the given dates and the month from the calendar given. Thank you for watching the video.